the proof of Philippine education system improvement. I remember when I was elementary, the teacher said, "Okay, in your skill and assignment notebook, this is how we retell story we listen to. Okay? Copy it in your skill and assignment notebook, read it at home. Okay, children?" Yes, mom. Yes, mom. Yes, mom. All right. When I was high school, okay, based on the story we have read Finding Nemo, can anybody tell me who is the main character? Mom, 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 mom. And we answer in chorus, Nemo, Nemo, Nemo. All right, very good, children. Can anybody summarize the story? Please speak English because it is an English subject, all right? Ang hirap naman. Kalisod pud, uy. And nobody answer because we are afraid to speak English because our English is not having a strong foundation because we don't have MTB MLA before. And here it goes. When I was college, okay, in our teaching strategies and techniques, please share with your groupmate your idea, express your idea. Please all must share their ideas, and after that you can share it in the class. Please speak English as possible, but you can also speak vernacular while you are sharing your ideas. All right, mom. Thank you, mom. Philippine education system have a big improvement from my elementary to college. It always find ways to cater the needs of new generation learner. It never stop exploring and searching new knowledge to share and learn, like the new implemented MTB MLA.